Thank you for visiting. In this video, I will show you steps to make an extreme mirror finish using this plate made with art clay silver. This has been rolled, dried, fired, and just brushed with a stainless steel brush. Follow all the steps, so you can make a perfect mirror finish on flat piece anytime. Okay, here is what you need first. Wet and dry sandpaper. Grit number 2000, 1200, 600, and 320. First, apply grit number 320 sandpaper to sand off the rough surface. Check a useful tip here. Fix a double-side stick tape on the silver plate. This gives a firm grip and consistent stroke when sanding. Okay. Start sanding and keep on going for a while. Pick it up to check sanding surface. As you can see, you will find spots that have not been sanded yet. Keep sanding until you can reach all surface evenly. Use water spray when sanding. Now, you can see consistent sanding lines all over the piece. This video shortcut the process, but this has been sanded for 30 minutes. Okay, next is grit number 600. Basic image of sanding step of grit order is to add a double number each after sanding. Therefore, after 320, next is 600, 1200, and 2000. Sanding into finer grit means eliminating prior grit sanding scratches. For shiny silver piece especially, sometimes it may be difficult to see. So here is another tip to try for you. Just before changing sandpaper to a finer grit, leave sanding scratches with coarse grit in same direction on purpose, like this hairline pattern. Then, move on finer grit sanding in 90 degrees different direction. You should still see some scratches made with grit number 320 in horizontal direction. Keep on sanding with grit number 600 in vertical direction. Now you can see next new sanding scratches with number 600, which removed previous coarse scratches with number 320. Okay. Move on next grit number 1200. Step is the same for the rest. Keep on polishing, and change direction by each higher grit number. This is a surface after sanding with grit number 1200. Okay. Here is number 2000. The final grit is polishing step with sandpaper. Again, keep on sanding. You may feel like sliding rather than sanding after around grit number 1000. Now, polishing with grit number 2000 is finished. Okay, next step is polishing with a metal polish, which is in paste form in a tube, or polishing with a compound like this brick type. For hand polish, use metal polish paste. For machine polish with a rotary tool, use the polishing compound. This beige cloth is made from chamois leather for polishing. Apply metal polish on the leather and start polishing. After polishing, degrease oily metal polish on the piece with neutral detergent and water. Alright. Don't give up, you are almost there. The final step is polishing compound in powder form grit number 8000, and number 12000. These powders are made for professionals in metalworking industry in Japan. Apply the powder on the leather, and polish entire piece. Oh yes! Finally, you see a perfect mirror finish. I brought my son's dinosaur toy today as mirror model. Can you see his cute face in the mirror like silver plate? Up until now, this video is just 4 minutes long, but my polishing and shooting took about 2 hours. Making a perfect mirror finish on a flat piece needs a lot of steps of polishing. But it's worth to accomplish on a special work. If you have a special project for mirror finish, please check back this video, and try. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.